What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Q-Moon Garage. Today we're taking a crack at my 1971 Cadillac Sedan Deville. We're going to be replacing the fuel pump that I got over here. Let me show you what it looks like. The Precision fuel pumps. Let me open her up real quick. So this is what she looks like. Two outlets, one inlet. Gonna get that out. That's what she looks like. Came with some gaskets too. She's gonna be, I don't know if I got enough light to throw yet. Right down there. Let's try and go underneath, see what I can get. She's right there. That's what we're after replacing today. There'll be 2 bolts off the block, those 2 lines that are rubber, and then 1 steel line that screws in. Alright, nothing like the future. I'll come back to you when I got it out. 2 bolts are connected to the block, and the fuel pump runs off the camshaft. So we'll get those 2 bolts out, get those lines off, and get it replaced. Alright, now I'm working on getting that top bolt off. I don't know if you can see it there. Right there it is. Getting the top bolt off, there we go. And this one is kind of tough to get to for a person with big arms like I do. I got the distributor cap removed, trying to get better access to it. If I can't get it, I'll probably have to remove the power steering pump, but I'm hoping not to have to do that. But I'll be back with you when that one is off, and we'll show you how to do the bottom one, or where to get to it. Alright, so it's been a little bit. I got the old one out. That's what the old one looks like. The new guy right here for comparison. Other than the outputs are a little different in orientation, but this did also rotate when I was taking it off, this outer sleeved bit here. So hopefully should be able to get her back in there. She's sat in there like this against the motor. I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, so she was up in, right, let's see if I can get her to focus. Up right in there where those 2 bolt holes are at. So now we're going to clean up that mating surface and get ready to put the new one in there. So a little departure from working on the Cadillac. Go to get some drywall sheets to do the ceiling in the basement. It's only 6 of them, small room. It'll be alright. Alright, just wanted to show a shot of got her in there. You can see her just at the top there. Focus. There she is. Got the hoses all ran. Down there at the bottom. That pipe right there. In the middle there goes down, curls up, and threads into the fuel pump. And then there's the 2 rubber hoses underneath. Oh, better zoom out. Got that all re-ran. Don't have that small hose pushed in quite all the way, but I might have to pop that off to prime it. But anyhow, Let's try and start her. I'm gonna hit her with some starting fluid. So if she does start kicking over, this can is like clapped out. Alright, let's see if she cranks over now. Nope. Alright, try her again. Nope. Oh dang, come to find out that this thing died. See how it's just sitting there on the 10. This thing's toast. Been a good old thing. Haven't minded it too bad. It's pretty old. Been around for a while. Guess that'll be it for tonight. Got her charging on the trickle charger. Right there. Got the motorcycle on the other one. So, probably be a couple days. We'll cut right to that. I'll be quick for you guys. Alright, so it's the next night. Got the battery charged all up. Now let's give her a start, see if she runs. Gotta go and grab the keys real quick, but I'll be right back. Alright, I got the keys. Let's try and get her started. That's not sounding happy. Try that one more time. That's not great though. She kind of took off a little bit. take her for a drive around the block. Try and get her on the highway, see how she does. Seeing the brake is on. It's really not. Weird. All the windows roll down except for the driver's side. I need to work on the brakes. They're a little not great. That might be next video for sure. Looking mean, got a light out though. A little bit of behind view too. Oh yeah. Looking good. Made her back. Let's see if she starts back up. After that. Kind of dieseled. Oof. That was a little better of a shut off. That battery sounds so unhappy. My battery must be junk. That's weird. I mean, once it's running, you can definitely tell that it's running ridge or it's leaking. Let's turn on the flash again, and let's see if we can see it leaking. Well, it's no leak anywhere. Well, I'm going to call that in this video. Got it running, got that fuel pump changed. I still need to do some tuning on the carburetor to get it to run right, because sometimes it gets like stuck at a high idle and stuff like that. You guys have any suggestions, shoot them down below. I'm not exactly the most skilled person at all this. I've done mechanic stuff, just not a whole lot with carburetors. But she seems to be okay for right now. I think she's running a little hot, that's for sure. I'll probably have to do a coolant change. But that's it for Q1 Garage. Catch you next time.